Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum Edu. I'm here in this session for vocabulary. I'm here to discuss an article to work on your vocabulary part. Now through this we have this idea that you possibly can work on your vocabulary words in various ways, like the articles are somewhere related to economy, politics, socio-economy, sometimes social issues. So you get vocabulary related to it. So the section wise you can divide the words, you can summarize them, you can club them and make a note of these words also. So let's begin with the article for today, and the article for today is Sound and Fury on the Congress and the Gandhis. Now when I say Congress and Gandhis, it is very obvious that we are talking of politics. Now this is an article wherein you will get vocabulary pertaining to politics. Sound and fury. Fury is noun which means aggression or violent anger. कहते हैं ना गुस्सा या रोष, वो होता है fury. Okay? Now, the Congress leadership seems unwilling to engage in honest introspection. भाई ऐसा लग रहा है, ऐसा समझ आ रहा है कि Congress leadership में Miss Gandhi and Mr. Gandhi, they are not willing, they're not ready. Unwilling, not ready. It's an adjective. For honest introspection, एक जांच के लिए, एक उचित जांच introspection के लिए, it's a noun. Introspection is examination or observation of one's own mental status. Okay? like अपने मन के अंदर झांक के देखने वाली बात है, ठीक है? एक आप जांच कर रहे हो अपने मन के अंदर की, that is introspection. So it is a kind of आत्मनिरीक्षण. I will write it clearly here. आत्मनिरीक्षण. That is what introspection is. आप खुद का observation या examination कर रहे हो. कहते हैं ना अपने मन के अंदर झांक कर देखो. तो ऐसा कह रहे हैं the writer says that they are not willing to have an honest introspection. अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखने का वो नहीं चाहते. The sound and fury at the 7-hour-long virtual meeting of the Congress Working Committee on Monday signified a lot. Remember the full form of CWC? Congress Working Committee. The orchestrated tirade by CWC members against party colleagues. Orchestrated is an adjective and tirade is a noun. Orchestrated means organized. Okay? And tirade is a long, aggressive speech. ठीक है, एक रोष, गुस्से से भरा हुआ भाषण, वो टिरेड होता है. ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड, ऑर्गेनाइज, जो कि संयोजित है अच्छे से. तो उन्होंने ये टिरेड ऑर्गेनाइज करा था CWC मेंबर्स के अगेंस्ट पार्टी कोलीग्स हु रेज वैलिड कंसर्न्स रिगार्डिंग द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द पार्टी, लेंट क्रेडेंस टू अ चार्ज द कांग्रेस ऑफन फेसेस. नाउ जिस तरीके का उन्होंने जो कटाक्ष भरा या गुस्से से भरा एक भाषण जो उन्होंने अपने कोलीग्स, पार्टी कोलीग्स को के लिए दिया है, जो कि उन्होंने वैलिड कंसर्न या वैलिड पॉइंट्स उठाए थे कि भाई पार्टी की फंक्शनिंग में ये लूप होल्स हैं, अगर उन्होंने बताया तो उनके अगेंस्ट जिस तरीके का टिरेड आया है या जो ये एग्रेसिव स्पीच आया है, दिस लेंस क्रेडेंस, ये उस चीज़ को मान्यता देता है. मान्यता, ओके, राइट ऑफ स्क्रीन एंड राइट इट क्लियरली. इट लेंस क्रेडेंस मतलब ये उसको मान्यता देता है. लेंट क्रेडेंस मान्यता देता है. इट अप्रूव्स टू अ चार्ज द कांग्रेस ऑफन फेस, भाई जो उनके अगेंस्ट जो एलिगेशन लगाए जाते हैं वो सही है, that it exists for the Gandhi family. A letter signed by several senior leaders had demanded an active, full-time and visible leadership. Their intent, that means irada, timing and motivation were questioned by Rahul Gandhi, who continues to influence decisions in the party, though he resigned as president last year. Now, this man, he has resigned as a president last year, but still he's there to have an impact, or to he has a say in the decisions that are taken in the party. So why is it so? If you've resigned, you're no longer the member of the party. Who are you to question the decisions taken, or who are you to question the steps taken or monitored? While former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh showed up, that means he gave support. Showed up is a phrase, okay? It means to render support, okay? Sahara dena. Showed up support for Mr. Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. He came and he stood for them, who holds charge as interim president of the party. Another senior leader, A.K. Antony, termed the letter cruel. Now, A.K. Antony has quoted the letter was cruel. Swinging between the senile and the juvenile. Senile is old. Senile is also an adjective. And juvenile is also an adjective which means young. So, swinging between the senile and juvenile, which is Manmohan Singh and Rahul Gandhi. Arguments at the CWC appeared to be an attempt to gloss over the substance of the letter. To gloss over is a phrase which means to describe something as of least importance. कोई चीज़ जो important है आप उसको negligent बता रहे हो, आप उसको insignificant बता रहे हो. That is gloss over. The entire text of which incidentally is not public yet, and vilify its signatories. Now, vilify is a verb, and vilify is used here, has been used here in terms of signatory. So it means to express in a disparaging manner. Yeah, disparaging, or you can say disrespectful. ठीक है, आप किसी को नीचा दिखा रहे हो, आप किसी की इंसल्ट कर रहे हो, वो होता है विलिफाई. आप किसी को कहते हैं ना डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो, तिरस्कार करना. तो आप तिरस्कार कर रहे हो उनके सिग्नेटरीज का, ऐसा करके. आगे, in seeking to deflect the issue by questioning the character and loyalty of those who raised it, जिन्होंने भी इस points को उठाए हैं, the points that have been raised by these party members, it has basically tried उनको question करके, we're trying to deflect the issue, we're trying to detract it or derail it. उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको भटका रहे हैं, अपने उद्देश्य से किसी चीज़ को भटकाना, तो वो कर रहे हैं हम, डिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो वो The Congress is exactly what it often accuses its principal opponent, the BJP, of doing. भाई आप जो अपनी opposition को accuse करते हो करने का, वो आप खुद कर रहे हो. The signatories to the letter might include opportunists too. But many of them, such as Kapil Sibal, Manish Tiwari and Shashi Tharoor, have been staunch defenders of the party. Staunch, that is loyal defenders. Staunch is an adjective. कहते हैं एक तरीके के जो साथी संगी हैं, जो उनके साथ ही रहे हैं, लॉयल एकदम, उनके सच्चे भक्त कह सकते हो आप एक तरीके से, right, of the party. There was no reason to hastily conclude, as many of the CWC did, that the letter was leaked to the media by its senders and not its recipient. So it should not be concluded as it was concluded. So it should not have been that was leaked by its senders and not the recipients. Now, it further says degenerative affliction. Affliction is noun. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं कष्ट, pain, which is crippling the Congress party, जो उसको अशक्त बना रहा है. crippling means अशक्त बनाना, किसी चीज को to weaken. So here it's weakening the Congress party is a concern not only for its members but for all who are invested in India's democracy. So it's a matter of concern not just for the party members, for all of us. The Gandhi family that commands the loyalty of the entire party has a special duty to ensure that this cry for reform within the party is not reduced to a question about itself. That if they're planning to reform the party, this process of reforming the internal aspects of the party should not come up as a question mark. The Gandhis have expressed a desire to remain active without leading the party. Such a role will be seen as a disingenuous scheme to exercise authority without accountability. Disingenuous is an adjective which means not genuine, not candid. Okay, like वो एक अमान्य है. It is not apt कि भाई आप अथॉरिटी तो कर रहे हो बट आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले रहे हो. आप अथॉरिटी चाहते हो बट आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं चाहिए. सो दैट इज नॉट पार्ट. अकाउंटेबिलिटी मीन्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जिम्मेदारी. सो भाई अगर ये डिसइंजेन्युअस स्कीम है, ये जेन्युइन नहीं है, ये सही नहीं, इट इज नॉट उचित. ओके, उचित नहीं है, ये जेन्युइन नहीं है. Something that Mr. Gandhi claims to deeply detest. Detest means dislike. But Mr. Gandhi, he says he dislikes this, but now his party has come up with the same idea. Moving ahead, it says, he is fortunate and must be thankful that the Congress party in its entirety still supports him, and even the reformists, mislabeled rebels by his self-styled loyalists, are not questioning his authorities. Mislabeled is an adjective, like wrongly identified. Okay, मतलब गलत, inappropriate कह सकते हो. rebels जो है भी नहीं बट फिर भी उनको लेबल दे दिया कि वो उनके rebel हैं. They have only expressed frustration over his selective interest. It was Miss Gandhi's remarkable accommodative skills and magnanimity. Magnanimity here is used as noun, which means उदारता. ये उनका बड़प्पन or her selflessness, or you can say kind attitude रहा है, that paved the way for the creation of United Progressive Alliance that lasted in government for 2 full terms between 2004 and 2014. It's all because of Miss Gandhi and not because of Mr. Gandhi. Miss Gandhi's legacy faces a serious threat, not only from her political opponents but also from within the household. Obviously, Mr. Gandhi, that's Rahul Gandhi, if he leads, we've all seen his oratory, the way he comes up in public and speaks out. We've seen the decisions he makes. We've seen the logics that he places or he puts forward. So all of this has given, and it makes it evident that there is a serious threat that the legacy of the Gandhi Khandan is having or facing. And it is not from the opponents, not just from the opponents, but also from within the people in the house. If Mr. Gandhi is unwilling to give up his obduracy, it's a noun which means अगर वो अपनी जिद से हट नहीं रहे हैं, जिद, stubbornness नहीं हट रहे हैं, तो it will be a problem, a lot of problem, and overcoming this bitterness towards colleagues, the way he is rough and rude towards his colleagues and the party members. जैसे आपने देखा भी जो tirade था, which is a speech full of aggression speech, the responsibility falls on Miss Gandhi to ensure a transparent election to find a successor along with a new CWC and a parliamentary board. They have to look for a new successor. If it's not Mr. Gandhi, then who? So there's a big question mark. See, the point is, we have BJP, we have Congress. There's no other party that people could think of. So BJP is already in power. If Congress wishes to come in power, and even if it does, who would be the lead man or the women? We don't have, it's a question mark right here. So because of this, a lot many times they lose elections, and this could be the possible reason, because less number of, I would say, people who are sensible enough, like they don't like the logic, or they are against the points given or stated by Mr. Gandhi. So most of the times Congress loses the elections. So this is on the political front. Okay, the article on the political front that was to be discussed today. The words that we've learned are amazing. The phrases that we've given showed up, glossed over. These glossed over is a phrase that if I ask you, you should now have got it. Like, it should be right here, because not just in this article, we've discussed this phrase in 2 to 3 past articles as well. So gloss over, please remember, if you are trying to express something that is important but giving it least importance, that is gloss over. So this is one thing, so we need to work on. So I would like to highlight a word that is staunch for today. It is an adjective which means loyal and faithful. So start using this word in your conversation for today. I will be seeing soon in the next session, and if you wish to look at the list of the words, it is there on the site in the study material section in the Hindu vocab part. Go, get the words, start working on them. Look for its synonyms, antonyms, and appropriate synonyms or possible synonyms to it. Phrases that could be related to these words, you can look for them. You can prepare a list, as I've suggested you to assemble, to merge words. Look for that, I would say, look for that trick and work on your vocabulary. Okay. Do not forget to hit the like button to keep me motivated and keep all of us motivated, and subscribe to the channel for regular session with us. Thank you so much.